Richard Rideout from Charleston, Maine.
Is that the one that was all over the place, or was it the other yellow one?
Next to taxi. I wanted to ride home tonight.
She was riding. Brennan had to ride it, wanted to ride it.
5573 on the last on Craig Dyers. 5573.
Yeah, they had to.
Yeah, I'm afraid to go for a ride with him. I've seen him drive. Anyway, he's still going. Hey, look, it's Billy. Boy, I don't know. Corey's Package Park claims another. Run! Run!
There we go.
Can't open the doors back to School Coast to Bank. Oh, he's out and running.
Can I have the keys?
Hey, don't get my shirt.
I like how Tyler took his helmet off.
Yes, you know him.
There you go.
Yeah, I know.
Your shirt? What'd you let him do that for? Oh, he didn't ask. Oh. Hey, don't get Kathleen's shirt dirty. Oh, he almost dove. He's gonna roll in it just to get Kathleen happy. There you go. He's out of wind. Have another cigarette.